Edition of E-Prime, I am Daedran. Momentum Festival had fans disappointed with the no-show of Iwayne. The annual charity show put on by Charlie Blacks was heavily supported by both patrons and artists. Charlie, along with TJ, Tiffa, Tanta Blacks, among others, performed at the tightly run production. However, many were disgruntled with the non-appearance of billed artist Iwayne. Reports are that Iwayne, who was also booked for Capleton's St. Mary We Come From stage show, was delayed at that event due to the event overrunning. There are reports of an altercation with female artist Ikea and his team. Iwayne, in an interview with RVTV's Entertainment Squeeze, confirmed the incident and says his camp has since apologized to the songstress.
If we get our way, like we go up on the stage, and we go up on the stage, and I one from another team get vexed, even if another artist, but a one from the team, a male from the team, get vexed and shout to whether my management and tell him some expletive or tell him what we gonna do with the mother and my management, return forward. Whether 6 times or 10 times louder, from you're wrong, you know if you do that.
Both Ikea and Iwayne were booked for the Momentum and the St. Mary We Come From shows. Momentum organizer international dancehall star Charlie Blacks remained in good spirits despite being disappointed.
This is the people's show now, this is not the artist show, this is the people's show. And big respect to every artist who support the thing, manners and respect. The Almighty Father hold up in hand, no rain or fall, big up the peace officers them, one more violence-free event.
E-Prime also caught up with TJ at the event, who is on a high from the success of his hit single, Bubble Your Body for the Up Top Boss.
Performance was great, man, you see it. I love the vibes. I'm the first time I perform here and people them accept me, you see it. I don't know how they work. I would try this from the art we do it, so I don't know, we have to just forward and just entertain the people them, and that we get paid for.
Tanta Blacks, who easily took the show, has been quiet lately since his real rich slang and song went viral. The DJ, however, says a lot is in the pipelines. Keith Urban is Country Music's Entertainer of the Year. The 52nd Annual Country Music Association Awards was held last night in Nashville, Tennessee.
I'm shocked beyond shocked.
Keith, who last won Entertainer of the Year in 2005, went up against industry favorite Chris Stapleton. Stapleton, although not winning the top award this year, walked away with 3 awards, the most of anyone: male vocalist, song and single of the year for the powerful Broken Halos.
I wrote the song with my friend Mike Henderson. We wrote it about people who have gone on, you know, long before their time. And you know, I want to be thinking about the people out in California right now as we're accepting this award. I'm going to dedicate that to them.
Now, the RJ Glena Group pop-up cafe opened today right here at Broadcast House, 32 Lyndhurst Road. Make sure to come down tomorrow between 12 noon and 4 p.m. and enjoy the delectable menu by Chef Jackie Tyson. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.